What's the best way to make sure that your earrings match your necklace? Cut the earrings out of the necklace. The client brought us a long diamond necklace that hung lower than she wanted it. If we could cut out some of the extra length, make a pair of earrings out of it, and then put the necklace back together, she'd have a shorter necklace and a bonus pair of diamond earrings. Could we do it? Let's share the repair.
Client found it just a little too long for her, so I'm going to chop this part and then make one pair of earrings. So make it a whole set. It's kind of like a rare project to me. It's interesting. Let's get started. So I am going to cut this connection first. So now I got two parts, which are going to be a pair of earrings. So next steps, I'm going to solder a back post. Okay, here's our finished product. So one set of earrings from this necklace. Now it's a whole set.
We made the earrings, put the shorter necklace back together, and made it all sparkle. Now our client has a great story to tell about turning one stunning piece of diamond jewelry into two stunning pieces. Bring your jewelry repair to Jack Lewis. We know what it means to you. Don't give up on it just yet.